even though you have little in your hand. The Lord is going to bless that and give you once again. And that will rule the whole financial status in your home. This is the promise. You have little. You are thinking what to do from that money. Oh, I have only this much. Don't compare with someone else. They may have great wealth and big things, but they don't have the crucified Jesus inside them. So inside they don't rule. They are slaves to sin, slaves to curse and all other bad habits. They are slaves. Whoever sins, they are slaves